In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add share buttons in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have social share buttons on your site, so visitors can easily share your pages on platforms like Facebook, X, and more. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor, not just in preview mode. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the icon that looks like a plus sign. This is the Add button, and it's where you can add new elements to your page. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, a panel will slide out showing different types of elements you can add to your site, such as text, images, and more. Take a moment to scroll through if you need to, just so you're familiar with what's available. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the section that deals with social media elements. In that Add panel, look for the category labeled Social. This is typically represented with an icon that suggests social media, like a group of small circles or a network symbol. Click on Social. Once you click it, the panel will update and show you different social related options such as social icons, follow buttons, and share buttons. Now, we want the option that allows visitors to share your content, not just follow your profiles. So in this social section, look for the element labeled Share Buttons or Share. This will usually show a group of familiar social media icons grouped together. Click on the Share Button option. As soon as you click it, Wix will automatically place a Share Buttons element onto your page. By default, it will usually appear somewhere in the center of the canvas. At this point, you've added Share Buttons to your site, but you can still customize how and where they appear. Click on the Share Buttons element on your page to select it. You can now drag it to the exact spot where you want it to appear. For example, under a blog post, next to a product, or in your header or footer. You can also use the settings that appear, such as design or settings, to adjust which social networks are shown, how the icons look, and how they behave. When you're happy with the placement and style, switch to preview mode to test the buttons and confirm they look and work the way you want. Then publish your site to make the share buttons live for your visitors.